First things first, appreciate your support. This is an old model LG washing machine. This is a belt motor machine that has carbon brushes. The latest models are all direct drive. Anyway, my good client called me because this machine was not draining water. So it was retaining water, as you can see, which is quite a headache when the machine is not giving you any error code, because it's not a digital dashboard, so you won't know if it's a drainage issue, a sensing issue like when feeding water, a brush issue. Tough. Anyway, so I got into it. This is a test. You see how the machine behaves. So I put it on spin. When you put your machine on spin, what you're looking for is to see if the machine can drain water to spin, because there's no way a machine will spin if it still has water in the drum. So what I did is put it on spin to see if the pump was running. Unfortunately, the pump was not running at all. When the pump is running, it's easy for you, because now you can roll out any other thing and conclude that is a blockage issue. Because if the machine is blocked, you'll hear the pump chugging, a humming sound coming from underneath here, but water won't come out. But with this one here, there was no sound from the pump, meaning either the propeller was completely blocked, which is rare, or the pump was dead. So this is how I resolved the issue, and this one can be done by anyone. First, unplug it from power. Then two, find a way on how to drain the water manually. So using a flat screwdriver, open the filter cover. Then there's this emergency drain hose. Before opening the main drain filter, I'll advise you to use to drain water from the main emergency hose, the black one here. Easy. So you move it close to a drain hole like this one here, or get a bucket so that you can empty water slowly. Then after that, open the filter to see if there is any blockage or any other thing. During blockages, what we find mostly from the drain filter is coins, small garments, handkerchiefs, like I'm talking about handkerchiefs, socks, any small garment, toothpicks, if you don't check pockets, buttons that come from clothes. So it's very, very, very common. So if your machine is not draining water, that's what you expect. Anyway, here now I emptied the drum. Now easy to work on. On opening the filter, there was nothing there that would prevent the machine from draining water. Meaning, if there was water in the main, if there was a blockage in the main hose from the plastic drum to the drain casing, the machine would still be running, the pump would still be running. But on this one here, the pump was not running and there was nothing blocking it. So getting into it is flipping the machine on one side so that we could access the bottom side, because there's no way you'll access the drain pump without flipping the machine on old models. New models, LG washing machines are completely covered at the bottom. So what we need to do is remove the front panel to access the drain pump. So on this one here, I removed the soap dispenser. Why? For me to flip the machine, it's easy when the dispenser is out, so that I get that grip when flipping the machine down. Before doing that, so that you don't affect any pipe, the drainage pipe, the inlet pipe, close the main water tap, remove the inlet pipe, and the outlet pipe so that the machine is free. That's what I did exactly, then flip the machine down. When you flip the machine down, now you can easily access the bottom part. It's easy to unblock a machine that is not completely sealed at the bottom, like this old LG machine, Samsung and other brands. Latest LG models are completely sealed. So what you need to do is remove the top cover, remove the front panel and door so that you can access the drain area. Now, on this one here, for me to remove the drain pump, I had to unclip this one here, the full panel. So when you move the panel, it's easier to unscrew the drain casing. So on this one here, there is one screw here which I removed. Simple as that. Then got a flat screwdriver, then unclipped this panel. Simple work, but you have to be careful because it has clips that hooks in the machine casing, the full body down there. If you break the clips now, this panel will be loose. So you have to be careful when you're removing the clips so that they don't break. Now to remove the drain casing, I removed these two screws. It applies to any other brand, whether it's a Hisense, a Mika, whether it's a Bosch, whether it's a Siemens, an AEG, the same procedure. So simple as that. So after removing the screws, it was easy to access the drain casing. Then I removed the drain pipe by using pliers. By removing this clip, then pulling out the pipe. Now it's easy to access the pump. I removed the wires. You don't have to worry about this because this is a alternating current pump. So wherever you plug the wires, it will work. This is not a direct current pump, so don't be worried about which wire is going where. Now, I remove the screws that hold the pump on the draining casing. Simple as that. And that is the pump. So this was my findings. The propeller on the pump was out. So if you install, like on this one, this is not the original pump that came with this machine. So if you install a generic pump, yes, the machine will work perfectly, but won't go for long. It will give you like 2, 3, 4 months, and then the propeller will come out. Number two, this happens because of not checking pockets. If you don't check pockets, the propeller works because of the foreign objects, so it can easily come out. So on this one here, it was mandatory for me to replace the drain pump, which becomes costly and avoidable, and this could be avoidable by checking pockets before doing laundry and getting the correct pump instead of going for a generic pump. So now you see, this is what happens. This is a pump I'm testing, an old pump I'm testing on this machine. You see, this is the propeller running. So this is the propeller that pumps water out. So if the propeller is out, you won't hear even the pump chugging. You won't hear that sound from the pump. So this is what I meant. If you have a washing machine that won't drain water and there's no sound coming from the filter side, the drain filter, that is an issue to do with the drain pump. Yes, it could be a blockage that the propeller can't move, but in most instances, that is a drain pump issue. And replacing it is simple. Empty the machine, remove all the water, open the drain filter, flip it, remove the screws that hold the drain casing, replace the pump, and the machine will work perfectly. Like this one was not spinning. But after replacing the pump, the machine started spinning as it should. So as simple as that, guys. And this is something you can do on your own. You don't need to add tension. What you need is a flat screwdriver, a normal screwdriver, star, and a pliers, and your drain pump. Simple. Simple. You don't need any other thing. Just that and this video here, and you replace a drain pump on a washing machine that is not draining. So I appreciate your support, guys. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. I'll be dropping more videos, different models daily, and this will help you sort an issue that will cost you more. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'm out. Please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos. I love you.